Good morning, students. In this video, we learn about the internal linking. What do you mean by the internal linking? Internal link is used to connect the different section of the same web page. If you want link between the same web page, then you can use the internal linking. For example, in a web page, we create different stories. We write already different stories, and in one file, we have already written the thirsty crow and greedy dog. You can written so many stories in a web page. Now you want to create the internal linking. When you click on the go to thirsty crow, then you can direct move on the thirsty crow. When you can click on the go to baba black sheep, then you can directly move on the baba black sheep. So how you can create the internal linking? For creating the internal linking, you need two things. One is your a tag, and the name of the attribute is href hyper reference is equal to, then give the reference here, and in reference you can write here hash sign. You can write here hash sign. The value of the attribute href is the name of the bookmark preceded by the hash sign enclosed in double quotes. Enclosed in double quotes. For example, we have written thirsty crow bottom of the web page. Okay, so you can write down a href, then you can write down here hash sign, and then you can write down bottom bottom inverted comma close angular bracket close, and after that you can write down here hypertext, any text. For example, I would want to write down here go to and fox and grapes. Fox and Grapes is a story we have already uh, created in web page. So ahref is equal to hash sign. This is the main important part of linking in internal linking. Ahref is equal to hash sign, then bottom. Why? Because we link with the bottom. Go to Fox and Grapes, and then you can close the a tag here. Now you can find, I have already written here, you can see we have written here already. So just wait 1 second. We have already written here so many stories, and we find out here where is my grapes. This one is the Fox and the Grape. This is my story. So here you can give the bookmark. Here you can give the bookmark. How you can write it? A space. Now the name of the attribute is name. For internal linking, name of the attribute is name. So in internal linking, we need both the attribute href and the name. Href we use for the hash sign, and then we can write down the top bottom any thing with the inverted comma in double quote, and here you can write down the bookmark is very compulsory to write here to jump when a specific link will be clicked. So name attribute to create such bookmark like this, a name is equal to, here you can just write down bottom, don't write down the hash sign. When you can create the bookmark, then just only write down the bottom. When you create the link, then you can write down the hash sign here. Both we require both things, bookmark and the hash sign for linking. Okay, you can write here, and then you can save it and open your browser here, and in browser you can open your file, and the name of the file is then class.html. Okay, open it, and you can see I have created so many link here. This is our link. Go to Fox and Grapes. When you can click on it, you can see you can directly move on the Fox and the Grape story. I have already created so many link here. For example, go to home, and so many. For example, this, when we click on the home, we can move on the back. And for example, if I want my story, move on the story, a this all oval. When we click on it, you can see here this all oval story will be displayed. When you can click on home, you can click on home. For example, how you can move on the home. So for example, we have created the link with the Fox and the Grapes here. Okay, this is our link, this is our bookmark. Now we move here, then we can go back into the top of the page. Then you can write down here a space href is equal to inverted comma start, and then write down hash sign, and here you can write down top, top inverted comma close angular bracket close. And here what we want to write down, we will write here go to top of the page, for example. And then you can close the a tag here, and you can use br tag, so you can see the directly clearly br okay. And now you can give the bookmark on the top of the page. You can now give the here, so you can write down a space name. No, for bookmark you can write down name, and then now you can write down top here, and then inverted comma close. Save it, open your browser again, and you can refresh here, and you can go to Fox. You can see here go to home. Here we display go to home. When you can click on here, you can move on the top of the file. For example, you can see in other web page, you can see here so many links are there in this web page. Avis counting, Avis old oval, Baba black sheep bag. And when we click on this and we directly move on that page, if you move on that page or on that document, then you can click on the external hyperlink. But if you create these all the story in all a single web page, then you can use the internal linking. How you can use it, we already know, but how we show our uh, all the link in between the list. So you can create this link here. For example, I have one attribute here, ahref is equal to bottom go to Fox and Grapes. So you can write down here ol. Okay, and after ol you can write down li list item, and in list item you can write down the hyperlink ahref is equal to bottom go to Fox and Grapes, etc. That you want. And for example, my second link is here. So uh, remove this space. Okay, so my second link is there, ahref Baba black sheep 4. So you can again write down li tag here, and Baba black sheep, and after that our link is here. And one more, go to greedy dog. So you can again write down here li for greedy dog, and this our completed here. And our next link here is ahref Avis old. So you can again write down li tag here. And after that one more here, the thirsty crow. Okay, the thirsty crow is here. So you can write down li here, and li is your empty tag, so no need to close it. So after that you can close the ol tag here. Okay, so again you can save this file and open your page and refresh here. So you can see here all the link in the list, on ordered list. When you can click on this link, you move here. When you can click on this, you can back. When you click on Baba black sheep, you move on Baba black sheep. When you click on home, then you can again back. Go to greedy dog. So you can like this, you can click on create a web page and click on the hyperlink. So this is your internal linking and external linking. And now we turn on the page number 104, and the name topic is in linking other web page at the same location. Other web page at the same location. Same location means if we have created our document in HTML, so other document is also in the HTML. For example, we create here one more. Okay, we write here so you can see clearly. So write down here with same location already created, no difference between the external linking and this. So you can write down a space href is equal to, for example, our another file is 10th dot alpha dot html. So you can write down here 10th alpha dot html. So this is the same location, different pages but same location. So link other web page to at the same location is this. And go to 10th alpha file, and then you can close the a tag here. Okay, so you can save it again, open your browser, refresh here, and when you can refresh here, go to a 10th alpha file. Your 10th alpha file is not there. So okay, some mistake is there. ALPHA. Okay, now you can refresh here, and again you can go to 10th alpha, and you can go to 10th alpha. And when you can already created a link in 10th alpha, when you can click on next, you can again move here. When you can click on Baba Black Sheep, this is your internal linking. And when we click here and other web page is open, this is your external linking. So here our linking, internal linking and external linking, two types of linking are completed. And now our next topic in linking is adding an email link into a web page. How to create a email link into a web page.